this is the revision for class 9. So this kind of question so many times asked in exams too, that a study was conducted to find out the concentration of the sulfur dioxide in air in parts per million of certain city. The data obtained for 30 days as follows. फर्स्ट डे उन्होंने मेजरमेंट लिया, देन दे गॉट 0.03 पार्ट पर मिलियन सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड वाज प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. देन दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग दे हैव कंटिन्यूड फॉर द 30 days. देन व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड अस, हमें क्या करना है, हमें ये डेटा का क्या काम है, तो मेक अ ग्रुप फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल एंड वी हैव टू डू it in this range only. Means here we have to make one table. In that table we have to represent in the form of tally mark. One was basic tally mark and this is the grouped. So here what we will do, here we will write that concentration of sulfur dioxide in air. Then we have to write here tally marks, and in the last column number we will write the total number. Here we have to find, for that we will write the number. Now here they gave us a range that it will start from 0.00 to 0.04, means 4 का गैप है तो हमें वैसे करते जाना है. So here 0.04 will come again. So here it will become 0.08. Now it will become 0.12. So first we will write 0.08. Then we will write over here 0.12. So it will become 0.12. अभी हाईएस्ट क्या है, लोएस्ट क्या है, वो पता करना है कि हमें रेंज कहाँ तक लेके जानी है. So lowest we are knowing that it is starting from what, 0.00, and highest it is coming up to 0.22, and watch it over here, if anything is more, so it is coming up to 0.22. So let us add it more, so what it will become, so now 0.16 to 20 and 0.20 to 0.24. So here our data will end over here. Now let us make tally mark table for it. So what we have to do, first we will take 0.03, it will come over here. Then it is 0.16, so we have to take it down, यहाँ नहीं लेना है ऊपर. Then 0.11, so it will come over here. Then 0.08, so it is coming down. Then 0.11, it will come over there only. Then 0.08, so we will take down. Then 0.05, so it will come over here. 0.08 again down, so we will do cross. 0.01, so it will come first. 0.07, it will come over here. 0.08, it is coming down. 0.02, so it will come up. 0.12, so it will come down. 0.10, so it will come up. 0.05, so it will come somewhere over here. 0.09, so it will come over here. 0.06, it will come there. 0.13, so it will come over here. 0.06, so it will come over here. So it is ended, so we did 5 of cross. 0.07, so again it will come over there only. 0.04, it will come down, not up. 0.18, so it will come somewhere over here. 0.22, so it will come down. 0.09, it will come somewhere over here. 0.01, so it will come up. 0.17, it will come over here. 0.20, it will come down. 0.07, it will come over here. 0.018, so it will come somewhere over here. And 0.04, it will come down. Let us add it up and see that what kind of total we are getting. So here is 4, here 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 2, 4, this is 4 and this one is 2. Now we are adding 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So total we got as 30. Now we will recheck it that we are correct or not by doing what? If whatever total we are getting here in question they have mentioned, this is the ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ देम फॉर दी 30 डेज. तो अगर हमारा ये टोटल और ये मैच कर जाता है मीन्स हमने जो किया है वो करेक्ट है. सो दिस वॉज द प्रोसेस टू डू टेलीमार्क टेबल इन दिस फॉर्म. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. Here you can see some different kind of question. 10 observation are given. What is given? Mean, median or mode. So median is given. अभी 10 ऑब्जर्वेशन है. बाय रीडिंग दैट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज कमिंग इन आवर माइंड दैट इट इज इवन नंबर, सो फॉर्मूला विल बी डिफरेंट एंड द डाटा व्हाट इज मीडियन इज गिवन एज 24 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड एक्स. तो अभी हम एक्स ढूंढ रहे हैं. हाउ वी विल फाइंड? सो मीडियन हैविंग इक्वेशन, टू इक्वेशन. इफ इट हैविंग odd number of data, then we are separating by taking it first we are taking it in ascending order. After taking it in ascending order, if it is 11, so 5 we are distributing and the center one we will choose as median. So यहाँ पे बोल दिया गया कि ये जो भी डेटा है it is in ascending order only, but median 10 है means 10 number of data is there. So here we have to use this formula, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. This we have to use and divide by 2 means what we have to do? We have to calculate first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So how many terms? 10 by 2 term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term. So n divide by 2, that we not have to forget. So it is 5th term plus 6th term we have to do and divide by 2. ठीक है, यानी अब क्या होगा वो देखते जाते हैं. सो मीडियन इज गिवन एज 24. अभी हम 5th टर्म ढूंढेंगे. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. 5th टर्म इज दिस वन and 6th term is this one. They both are in the form of x and that x we have to find. So here we will write it is in x plus 1 plus we have to write because b in between there is plus, and here we have to write 2x minus 13 and we have to divide it by 2. Now what we will do? First we will shift these 2 and we will solve that x. So what it will become? 24 2s are, so it will become 48 and here x plus 2x it will make 3x. And here it is in minus, so minus 13 plus 1 will make 12, but symbol will be minus. Now what we have to do? We have to shift it. So it will become 48 plus 12 and that is equals to 3x. We will solve it more, so it will become 8, 9 and 10 and 1, 4, 5 and 6, 60 we got as 3x. So here I will write that 3x is equals to 60. Let us take, if it is in multiply, we will take it down and we will make it what? So let us take it 3 2s 6, so x we got as 20, but we got as over here, but sometime they are asking that we have to find fifth data also and sixth data. Then we are finding that fifth data, fifth term or fifth data was what, and it is x plus 1, so 20 plus 1, so it is 22. And if we want to find the sixth data, so what we have to do? So here we are finding sixth data or data. So that is 2x minus 13. So here we are substituting the value of x as 20 and minus 13 means 40 minus 13 we were doing. Okay, so what will remain over there? 27 will be remain over there. So this was the concept. I hope you understood. This kind of questions are very easy. Frequently they are asking. I hope you understood. As here you can see, this is very informative kind of question. Question number 3. For the particular year, following is the distribution of the ages of the primary school teacher in a district. Okay, so ages is given in this form 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30. 20 to 25 के ages वाले कितने टीचर है? 30 टीचर्स आर देयर. 25 to 30 जिनकी एज हो इन बिटवीन 26 भी होगी, then they are included in this 50. But if their age is 30, they are included over here. And if they are 34, they are added over here. But they are, if 35, they are added over here. So इस तरह का डेटा हमें दिया गया है. Now we were doing the question and answers. So here 4 questions are asked to us. We have to give answer in that way only. So here let me read the first question. What they are saying. So they are saying write the lower limit of first class interval. यानी यहाँ कितने इंटरवल दिए गए? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ. 5 इंटरवल्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. और मुझे किसकी लोअर लिमिट लिखनी है? दिस फर्स्ट वन की. सो हम आंसर किस वे में देंगे? सो हियर यू कैन सी द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन. राइट द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लास. तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्लास? That is 20 to 25. So in that lower limit is what? So lower limit is 20 over there. So we have written. This was the answer of the first one. Second one. Determine the class limit of the fourth class interval. So first, second, third and fourth. तो अभी फोर्थ की रेंज क्या है? So 35, 40 is the range. And there we have to write what? Determine the class limit of the fourth. So कितने की लिमिट होगी? So here what we have to do? So here lower limit is 35 and upper limit will be of 40. So this kind of 2 answer we can give over here. Now we have to do the third question. So third question let me read. Find the class mark of the 45 to 50. तो ये 45 to 50 का हमें wait, here the question could be 40 to 45. Okay, so find the class mark of 40 to 45. So class mark कैसे ढूंढते हैं? So we have to write class marks is equals to lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. So 40 plus 45 and divide by 2. So here we are getting 85 by 2. So if we are reducing, what we are getting? 4 2s are 8. And 2 2s are 4, and that it will make 10 over there, so 5s are. So class mark we got as 42.5 for this 40 to 45. Now the last question, determine the class size. तो सबके बीच में 5-5 का डिफरेंस है, तो 4th क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा the class size is lower limit plus upper divide minus upper limit divide minus lower limit you can do with 25 minus 20. So 5 is there, 30 minus 25, 5 is there. So class size is of 5. So these are the questions which are very basic. Again it will come in 10th standard. So it will be very useful to you. I hope you understood whatever message I want to pass to you.